Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a detail page of our events and how to use map layouts. Let's start by connecting to our Events Manager. Oh, good news! FireGUI published a new client version, as you can see here. I suggest you to always keep your client updated to the latest version, so you'll be able to use all of the FireGUI features. Go and click on Changelog and click here to update. Wait a few seconds for the process to be completed. Okay, done. Open our client from here, and this is what we've done till now. We have a calendar here and all our events in a table here. Now I'm going to show you how to create a detail event action here, so we'll be able to view all details of a specific event. Go back to the builder, and first of all, I want to add a new special field to place our events in a map. Click on Entities here, then Events, and now Position here. Type Map and field type JSON. Save. Now from the Visual Builder, let's adjust this field in the forms, so full width and all the way down here. Good. Then in our table, we don't want this field to be shown, so just delete from here. Okay, so yeah, back to the client and click on the edit button to see our changes. Perfect. Here we have our new little map, so we can drag to find the correct place, or just type the address here and click on search. There it is. This is our events marker, and we can drag it wherever we want, or simply click on the map to change its position. Okay, save. Let's do the same thing for our other events, and let me add some more events. I sped this part of the video up a little because it took me 2 minutes to do this. It's nothing important. So, okay, we're done. Now we have all of these events here, and as I promised you before, now we're able to add the new detail page. Go back to the Visual Builder and click on New Page in this top right button. Type Event Detail, show Advanced Settings here, and related entity is Events, and is an entity detail? Yes. Create page. Once you created this page, it will be shown in the left menu, so just click on it to edit, and let's add a new grid. Let's call this Event Data. Entity Events for sure. Then I like to use static vertical grids. The grids are the simple way to show data from a single entity record. Don't forget to also specify here a custom where with your entity name underscore ID field equals value ID between brackets. There are so many placeholders you can use here, so I suggest for you to have a look at the official documentation. Okay, now save changes. Let's add more fields to our new grid, so click on Table Builder and remove Modified Date. Add date end, type, and user email. Done. Now it's time to add a new action to the events table with a link to this new detail page. Go to Options, then click on Create New Action, Detail here, type Detail Page, Event Detail here, change color if you want, and then click on Save, and we're done. Go back to the client and see what happens. Perfect. This is our new action, and if I click on it, Yes, there it is. This is our new events detail page. Too simple though, don't you think? You're right, so now I want to place a well-detailed map of the event here, to the right of the vertical grid. So go back to the builder, click on Add New Element here, Map, and create a new map. Just type Event Map, or whatever you prefer. Entity Events, obviously. Then show advanced settings, and same as before, add the custom where to filter our specific event. You can also specify more parameters here if you want, such as zoom level, different layout options, and more. But for now, let's skip that. Okay, save changes. Finally, we have to map our entities fields to the maps field. Click on Map Builder, and here it is. Color, title here, description, and our position field as latitude and longitude type. Save changes, and okay, we're done. If everything is right, we can now go back to the client. Refresh this page, and perfect. As you can see here, now we have our data on the left and our map to the right. Oh, sorry, I forgot to remove this menu label from here, so back to the builder and delete. Okay. Perfect. Finally, I want to show you that you can also add a map with all events on it. I'll put this map into the dashboard on top of the calendar. So, back to the builder, click on Dashboard menu and Add New Element. Choose Map, then create a new map. Type All Events Map, Entity Events, but now we don't have to specify the where filter, so leave it empty and save. Resize and drag the map here, then Map Builder, and as we've done before, create the correct fields mapping. Save. Okay, refresh the client dashboard, and great. You can now see here in this map our events with their own positions. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching this video. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to customize layouts and features by using the Events and Triggers section in FireGUI. Click on the subscribe button and the bell below, and as always, feel free to ask comments if you need help. All links are in the description below. Have a good day, and see you in the next tutorial.